Hello, Pinas Norway! Welcome to my channel, Pinas Norway.
Thank you for inviting us.
You're welcome,
We
Marsco.
really enjoy the food and obviously the mountain at the beautiful house and the beautiful view.
Why don't you show them your Christmas decors?
Yeah.
Yes. So Mars,
All the way from Norway.
Yeah, all of
How
that
do you
from
call
Norway.
them, Mars?
In Norway.
Gnomes? How do you call them?
No,
Christmas gnomes?
well, they're like, but
Oh, I've noticed your Christmas decors. That's Yulinisa, right? That's Yulinisa.
Yeah, that is Yulenisa.
Oh, see, I know
beautiful.
that.
All the way from Norway.
All the way from Norway. You have an eye for details, sis. You know what? I'm so proud of you. You
Why?
made this happen.
Thank you
In a
so
very short
much.
period of time. Eh, ilang taon mo na itong ginawa yung house?
That was last year. So, 6 months and then pumunta kami sa Norway for 5 months and then back to Philippines and then work again for 2 months. So, 8 months. Ang lakas ng hangin. Marami silang nagawa ngayon, oh. Isang araw lang 'yan. Ang nilagay nila purong ano lang siya. Ang nilagay nila sa ilalim ng tiles, porong-poro siya na adhesive para mas madikit at matibay. Kaya guys, kung magpapagawa kayo ng bahay, mag-message lang kayo dito sa aking, mag-comment lang kayo sa aking vlog, sa aking YouTube channel para mag-comment lang kayo ha, para ma-replyan ko kayo pag kailangan yung nyo ng mga tauhan na gagawa ng tile sa bahay nyo. Magaling sila maglagay ng tiles. Nakita nyo? Ayan, oh. Ayan. Kailangan may nakalagay sa bawat gilid kasi para makita nyo talaga na may siya, may korte.
It was important that you put the first one really straight, because if you don't put that straight, we have always problem.
So, kailangan pala pag magpagawa ng tiles, may dito spacer. Tapos, kasi dito sa na to, pinaglagyan ng spacer is lalagyan ng grout yan para mas maganda tingnan, mas matibay. Kasi pag walang grout, pag walang space, ang pangit. Pag walang grout sa gitna, kasi lahat ng mga dumi mapupunta dun sa ilalim, tapos magkakaroon ng langgam, lalanggamin siya, so ang pangit. $60 by 60 pala yung size ng tiles na binili namin kasi pagka kasi yung 40 by 40 masyadong matrabaho. Saka matagal matapos.
para maano ko naman yung mga followers mo.
Oo, ma-follow mo sila. Ayan yung
Hello guys, lagpatsa muna kami ha. Sama kayo.
We're visiting Miss Miles' mansion.
So you got to catch up with Karen, honey.
Huh?
You have to catch up with
Later.
later tomorrow, Monday, whatever.
sila ka pala yung mga mababait na mga dito sa ano ba ito? andoks. Yummy andoks. Paputs pa muna ang asawa ko. Wow, sosyal. Paputs pa ang kuwan. Paputs pa ang boss ko. Yay! We have 3 kids here.
Ang usap na sup na.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, back.
Baby Sophia, la li la la li, la 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 li la, la li la la la, la li la la. Oh, alaga, gisup-sup na ka.
It's a full movie, but looks like. Let's see if we can. I don't know if that is YouTube or.
Yeah. Nanood sila ng cartoons.
Sorry.
Ga, tanawan ng gamay. Kuha na lang na kay Basig, ano. Bakit? Hala ka. Hala ka ga. Ito na. Hala ka ga. Hala ka. Kuha ga, kay delikado. Wale. Hi, Mason.
Do you even have a plan, Joy? Joyce, this is a dead end. Somebody's awake. She's up too early. Where did they get? Because, Mona, we need to speed things up and.
Po. Po. Po.
Sadness. That sounds like a yes. Sadness. You are strong. So, right? Whatever, Valley. That's the spirit.
Why not remind me of
What
is the matter with you? I don't like this vessel. Who's your favorite band? If we don't like their music, we have nothing to
Po.
Same place we keep all O'Reilly's secrets.
Totally fine.
Anything.
Dumating na yung package namin galing Norway. Wow, ang bilis naman. Ayun, may pusa pa, oh. Yung pusa galing din sa Norway. 'Di ba? Katin fra Norge.
Yeah.
Wow,
You see my phone now?
yehey. Yan ang sala ko. Nilagay ko dito yung sampayan kasi nga malakas ang hangin sa labas. So, dito sa left side, hindi ko muna papakita sa inyo kasi may mga ano siya. May nakasampay. So, ayan. May CCTV camera na kami sa bahay.